How to create Hotmail account. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how to create Hotmail account. So to get started, open up official website of Hotmail. You can also create an account from the Hotmail application. So in order to sign up for Hotmail, what you're gonna do is tap on create free account option. Once you tap on it, in the email section, simply type down your email and click on next. And then create a strong password and then click on next. Now add your name. Once it's done, simply tap on next and then add your birth date and tap on next. Now solve the puzzle. Once you have solved the puzzle, you will be successfully appear with the home page of Hotmail. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can create Hotmail account. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press on notification bell.